Alright guys, progress on the Jeep. Here's a better view of that carbon wrap on the hood. Now with the sun's out, you can pops out a little more, you can see it a little better. So there's that. We're currently working on the headliner because, like I said, it was all droopy and junk. We went to Joann Fabrics, picked up some new fabric for it, and it's almost out, just hanging out right now, literally. So once we pull that out, we'll spray the adhesive, put the new wrap on it, and then we'll slap it back in. Alright guys, so the headliner is out of the Jeep, as you guys can see. But we're at a standstill here because the fabric we just picked up at Joann's. We're kind of just winging it, and it bit us in the ass. We didn't measure. It's not long enough width-wise. So as you guys can see, we're gonna have to make a trip back. I don't know if today or maybe another day, but this is not gonna work. But what we're thinking is wrap the main headliner one full solid theme, and then the speakers that rest in the back, it has almost like its own little tripod they sit in. So that we're gonna do another theme to just make them stand out a little more. Something I also didn't know on these Cherokee, the A-pillars and stuff, they're not plastic. They're like aluminum almost. I'm not sure, but it's pretty cool because it's just like you can tell the way cars were made back in the day. Like, it's just different. Alright guys, once we figure out what we're gonna do, we'll catch you guys back on. So I didn't really get too much of a chance to record the process of me replacing the headliner on the Jeep, but it's finally finished, so I decided to take a video since I'm here at lunch, fixing a few more little issues on this thing. But I think the headliner came out looking pretty good, so I'm gonna show you guys a video of that real quick. We still got the speaker pod to install back in the back, but besides that, it came out pretty good. Alright guys, so this is how the Jeep's looking so far. Probably about a week of owning it now. Things we've changed up are the vinyl wrap on the hood, the carbon. Besides that, fresh oil change, and the biggest thing really is the headliner. Robert, pop that trunk. Oh, you do. So besides that, the next thing is going to be new tires, and then we got normal maintenance parts. We have the timing chain already. We have the gasket kit for the transmission, for the pan gasket and the oil trans filter. We got valve cover gasket, water pump, thermostat. What else did we get?
T-case.
T-case output seal. And then I think that's gonna call it. Has a minor exhaust leak, but haven't really seen if it's an exhaust manifold bolt itself that's cracked or if it's just a gasket, but that will get taken care of eventually as well. We did find out also that the underglow for the feet changes colors, and you can set it to for it pulsing or come in at different types of speeds, which is kind of cool. Alright guys, if you guys are liking the progress on the Jeep, chime in, comment, like, subscribe,